Hey, so you may or may not know, Black female entrepreneurs, the fastest growing segment of entrepreneurs in the country. Despite that fact, and despite the success, the passion, the drive that they have, the genius that they have, Silicon Valley continues to pass on them. Venture capitalists continue not to invest in their businesses. In many cases, probably they don't get it or they don't believe in our people. And my thought is, why do we need validation from Silicon Valley? Yes, you may need money, funding, you think you do, but I think there's an alternative, and that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to put education out there to give people information about the alternative so that like you can build a profitable business and then you can sell it to anybody. You can sell it to Silicon Valley, you can sell it to investors that aren't in Silicon Valley, because what everyone will understand is cash flow and profit, whether in your Silicon Valley or not. There's plenty of people that invest in companies, invest in people, have large amounts of money sitting that they want to put to work for them that aren't in Silicon Valley. So I think the easiest way to do it, the best way to do it, is to leverage online businesses, get money generating from online channels, different monetization methods, whether it's affiliate marketing, Google Ads, AdSense, other ad networks or entities, consulting services. There's so many ways to make money online, and to me that's better because a lot of these businesses are very profitable, and everyone likes profit. And what you're starting to see is that, like, even Silicon Valley, but even outside of Silicon Valley, some financial firms, funds, and other like high net worth folks are starting to park their money in online businesses. So they're not just looking at real estate. They do invest their money in real estate, but they're even getting a bigger return on a monthly basis from online businesses that are just cash flowing regularly. And so for those of you in real estate, even if we take the term like cap rate, the cap rate on a lot of online businesses is way better than what you're going to get on a commercial property or even on a residential property if you're just going to do rent. Like the return that you can get on online businesses is great. And when we talk about selling, what you can flip the online businesses for is way more. So, in many cases, you can flip for 30 to 40 times your monthly profit. That's right. So 30 to 40 times your monthly profit. That's what businesses are going for daily, and they're going easily. There's marketplaces out there that are selling online businesses like it's nothing. Some of them are basic sites, don't look good, but you know what? They're providing information or service to a targeted audience, and that's what you really need. That's where your money's going to come from for any business that you're in. It's having a targeted audience, knowing what their problems are, and solving them. And doing an online business, I think, is the easiest way to do that because you can use Google to get all of that information. Google gives you all the information of what people are searching for, the keywords, the terms. You can leverage that information and then create content based off that on your website, on your own website that you own, which is an asset that people are willing to pay for. And also, it can provide cash flow. So that's what I'm focused on. Don't worry about those venture capitalists. Don't worry about like Silicon Valley. Who says Silicon Valley is right anyway? Look at what's happening now. What just happened to WeWork? It was all a hoax. So now Silicon Valley is worried about profit anyway. So try to find a profitable business, and I think online businesses is probably the best way to do it with a high profitability, low barrier to entry. And it really just requires you to be strategic and smart about it. And what I'm doing is putting together the step-by-step process of how you do that. I'm providing that to my people because that's something I'm doing myself.